So this is Teresa, and what you'll notice with her is I adjust her a little differently than I will adjust most other people. And a large part of that reason is because of outcome. I always want to follow outcome. And one of the things, we just do drop table with her. So this is to line up her pelvis, okay? And this is to open up that L5-S1 junction. Helps to keep the feet the same length, helps to give that foundation, the good balance and everything like that. I only do drop table, whereas most people I'll turn on their side as well. But I do that with her because we were noticing as I was doing some side posture with her, it would flare her up more. And so we gotta always listen, as chiropractors, we gotta listen to the body and what it's telling us so that we can change and have whatever is going on with her be unique to her, not just this cookie cutter adjusting.